What's going on, guys? SOV Productions, and well, I just came back and I picked up something. So hooked up the old PJ, and guess what I went and got? I got another Durango. So this one is running, as you can see. Yeah. And this one needs a fender and some more, stuff that you can probably repair, and a hood. But here's the thing about this truck. I already got all the parts for this truck as it is, so I bought another one, and we're going to put the parts on for this one. Let me take an overview. So this one is an 03, so it's 2 years newer. And look at his body. It has no rust on it at all. You can go up and down this truck. You got a little bit of spot, maybe about right there. Look under here. You can hear that fuel pump a little bit, but it's running good. New tires. They just need one. Look at this side here. Look how clean this thing is. For this, a first gen Durango, this is pretty cool. I'm gonna take you to the inside and let you see how it looks over there. Okay. Look at this. 131,000 miles, and it is the 4.7. So it is the 4.7. Look at this. Let me check I never checked the heat. Let's see. How does the heat work? Well, we're testing the heat, but it is four-wheel drive. I thought at first, let me turn this down so you can actually hear me. At first I thought this was a two-wheel drive truck, but this is a four-wheel drive. Because the SXT kind of threw me off. Power windows and locks. This thing here, got an outlet down in there. Add an outlet here. Nice interior. Look at that dash, no cracks. Super clean inside and out. Let me go to the back door here. I should have checked the windows, but all the way through, clean. It needs a little bit of detailing. Oh, that's interesting. Oh, so this truck doesn't have the third row seating. This is a storage trunk. Okay, I thought this truck had the third row seats, but it doesn't. That's pretty cool, actually. Well, I didn't know. I need to check that trunk door. No controls back here, no outlets. Alright. So the trunk works. The cylinders ain't good, I don't think. Let me try to get up here. How they hold. Let's see what's in here. Oh wow, I got a quarter though. Look at that, free quarter. Got the trailer package. No wiring to. Oh, they got a spare. So I'm gonna get that spare down. I'm gonna get this spare and I'm gonna throw it on the front because this one needs a tire. So I'm gonna take that spare and I'm gonna put it on here. But that's what this truck needs. So basically, I got this truck off Facebook Marketplace. Guy wanted 1,000. Talked him down to 900. And I have all the parts for this truck, so it kind of works out for the better. Now, but the only thing I do have to do is the front part of it. Like I say, this fender, bumper. This is plastic, so a light. Like I say, but you can get most of this stuff at a junkyard even, so you know that's not bad. And the only thing it needs is, like I say, this side and a tie rod. I don't know if you can see it down in there, but other than that, a running, driving truck with 131,407 miles. And look at that idle. It's idling so good. The heat works. It's super hot. Let me check the AC. I don't know if it will work. Oh my God, the air works too. This thing has a working heat in air. Wow. I'm surprised. I'm super surprised that this stuff works. Wow. Alright, so you might hear that that ticking. That's because the fan is hitting up against the coolant tank, the little plastic tank. But other than that, I'm actually very surprised that this truck is number one, as clean as this truck is. Like, look at this roof. Look how clean. It's not a single spot on this roof. Look at the floor. Look at the cup holders. No stains in there. Nothing. It does need to be cleaned out. I got a bunch of bottles and stuff in here. You know, but I'm going to take you to look at my other truck that I got. Now, that truck sat for 3 years. No, it sat for about 6 years. The truck sat for 6 years. And basically, when we picked up that truck, it was sitting for 6 years. And it ran, but it had a very rough idle. Like crap. So, and I didn't figure out. We tried to put a motor in it. The motor ended up being garbage, so we said, you know what, forget it. Let's just buy another truck, running and driving, and let's take parts of it and put it on the one that needs it. And that's what we did. And this one, it came out so much better. It's not rotten, it's not rusty, and it's clean. It's clean. Let's go and take a look at that, and I'm going to let you see the difference. Alright, so here's the other one. It doesn't look bad, but look at this. Look at this. Look at this. You see that? Look at that rust. It's starting to form here. Look at this glove compartment. Completely busted. Whole hole. You can put your whole hand in there. Running board is a little wonky. Look at this truck. Look at the differences. Now, this wheel looks good because I had to replace the wheel because someone decided to break the truck ignition, so I had to replace the whole entire steering wheel. So this wheel's brand new, and this wheel's coming out, trust me, because this thing is not getting crushed in this truck, so that's going to come out. But look at the big difference, dude. There's a huge difference. Look at this. Look at the staining, tears. Well, I'd be surprised that the actual cable and then the whole system even worked. But we got the spare tire out. Go through the trunk hole and use your tools that they give you. But it actually worked. And we got the tire, about to put some air in it.